Hi, welcome to Hardware's Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Oppo Find X3 Neo, and I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this device. So firstly, you need to open the control panel and find here all unnecessary features and disable it. For example, if you are using Wi-Fi and mobile data at the same time, disable one of them because the both of them are consuming battery power and we don't need it, okay? Disable Bluetooth if you don't need it right now, disable location services, disable newbie share, Oppo share if you have it enabled, Oppo shares here, disable NFC, and cool, that's it. So then we need to open the settings and open the display and brightness. So we have LED screen, so in the black places our screen is disabled, so we can enable more dark places in our screen using the dark mode. And then scroll down, find the auto, not the auto screen, but screen refresh rate, and enable standard. In the standard, your screen will not be too smooth, but it will use less battery power. But I'm gonna use high, by the way. Okay, and of course here you have battery in settings, and here you have battery saving mode, so enable it using the one tumbler, or you can enable super power saving mode. In super power saving mode, your device will live several days. But here you can use only 6 applications. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.